Today, I'm thrilled to see that ChatGPT has just released GPT-5. I'm like, oh my god. I love ChatGPT so much because it enables us to do a lot in such a short time. And as you all know, I'm an AI enthusiast. I believe that AI has capacity to do so much more good than we think it can. I know most people demonize it and say there will be the Armageddon when AI goes around killing people and all of that, but chill. We're not there yet. And we have AI police. There are people that ensure that ethics is infused into AI use amongst people. So we won't get to the Armageddon, okay? Okay? So let's just focus right now on what ChatGPT 5 can do. So I'll try to share my screen. Oh Lord, can I do that here? Okay, in another video, I'll share my screen telling you all that ChatGPT 5 can do by ChatGPT itself. So ChatGPT 5 will tell us all that it can do, then I'll share it. Okay? Bye for now. Okay, ChatGPT, tell us all that you can do. This is GPT-5. And I have the smartest, fastest, most useful model yet. With thinking built in so you get the best answer every time. So let's check that out. Let's ask it what it can do. Tell us yourself, ChatGPT-5 or GPT-5. We just used to add the chat all the time because we're used to that name. Okay, let's see. Okay, here we go. I hope this is clear. So ChatGPT-5, as we like to call it, rather than just GPT-5, it can do a whole lot, and then it's telling us all they can do by itself. It says, hello, Herbsba. I'm glad you asked because the jump from GPT-4 to 5 is a bit like moving from a reliable high-speed train to a maglev smooth, fast, and it's able to take us to more places without derailing in weird tangents. How wonderful. Okay, tell us all you can do, GPT-5. Better reasoning and problem solving. Yes, deeper chain of thought reasoning, which means that it can handle more complex multi-step problems. This is one of the techniques for prompt engineering that I talk about in my videos using my platform Nuggets with Hepsba, right? So chain of thought prompting, which leads to GPT-5's chain of thought reasoning, simply means that you would want to break your problems down into simple steps. So instead of just loading everything on there, you want to use chain of thought prompting, putting in your thoughts bit by bit, step by step. So if you want to say, for example, build me or rather create a business plan for me that can solve problems 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Instead of just loading all the 5 problems there, just start with problem 1. So build me a business, first of all, that supplies maybe food to everybody in Abuja, right? And at the same time, maybe offers it for an affordable price. Just stop there. Then when it does, you can now tune it further to say, okay, tweak this further to also provide a special selection for diabetic patients. Then it would modify just bit by bit like that. So instead of just throwing everything in there, which can overwhelm ChatGPT, be it 4 or 5. Okay, let's see other things that GPT-5 can do. Larger context memory, more natural writing and conversation, sharper domain expertise, richer multimodal capabilities. Yes, this means that it can process images from all walks of life, like charts, photos, and documents. And another meaning of multimodal, right, means that it can use its different senses to process information. So let's take, for example, that we're talking about a multimodal car, right? It can use its camera to get pictures or photos of things in its environment. Can also use its senses to tell when you're about to hit a wall. So if something like ChatGPT or any other AI integrated model or product can use different senses like camera, its other sensory features. Human beings are multimodal. In other words, we can use our eyes to see, we can use our ears to hear, we can use our nostrils to perceive, and things like that. Yeah, if you can access information using different modes, you are called multimodal, be you a human being or ChatGPT. Okay. Number 6, it's more accurate and factual. It has advanced memories. It can help us, yes, do deep research. I like this part. I like this part. Well, you can even prompt engineer by itself. So you can help us write prompts for AI tools to more effectively. Oh, this is so lovely. Creativity without losing structure. Hallelujah. Because sometimes ChatGPT just goes on and talks and kind of misses the point, like going off point. I'm glad that has reduced with GPT-5. In short, it says it's faster, more more context aware, more creative, better at integrating real world, up to date information into tailored and actionable answers. This is wonderful. So he says we should think of it as GPT-4's big sibling who not only studied harder but also learned how to hold better conversations, manage projects, and keep secrets safe. I hope this is true, Sha. This is Chris part. Okay, this is wonderful, wonderful. So, okay, we're going to do in another video side by side examples of Chat GPT 4 versus 5. But for now, I'll say bye bye.